wondering if somebody understands. Darling, I don't understand you. So, hi guys. If you watched my intro, you know what we're doing today. So, I'm gonna go make breakfast because I'm not going anywhere without eating breakfast. So, let's see what we're gonna make today. We're making pancakes. Okay, I haven't went grocery shopping, so that means I'm not eating breakfast today, but I can stop somewhere. So I'm gonna get ready. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I'm gonna take a bath. Okay, I finished taking a bath. I'm going to show you the outfits that I'm going to wear today. Okay, so this is the outfit I'm wearing. No, I don't want that. What about this? This is the outfit I'm wearing. Cute 8, and this is what I'm swimming in. Cute 14. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So let's go, guys. I am so excited to go to the beach, and you don't even know why. Oh, I guess you saw it in my intro. Well, whatever. Guys, I am here and surprisingly, there's no one at the beach. At least I get to keep it for myself for my video. But anyways, I'm going to see if I can change up here. Okay, I love this swimsuit very much. I picked it out entirely for you guys. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, the first thing we are doing, we are getting on that yacht. Or should I say jet ski? Okay, I am getting on it. I never rode a jet ski for myself before. So let's see. Woo! I thought I was gonna miss it. Woo! Okay, there are people arriving at the beach. I guess I was wrong. This is so cool. Like, look at this new thing. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna crash. I didn't. Okay, I want to go on the ride. So let me put this back and let's go. OMG, guys, look at how much people are there. I was totally wrong. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you, Berry Avenue got a new update, by the way, if you did not know or if you did not notice, because I never went to the beach with you guys. So now you know and now you notice. Okay, so I'm gonna go that way. I think that's the only way. Actually, no, but I'm gonna go here. Yay! Okay, I don't know if this is a bounce or my game is lagging. I'm just kidding. It is. Okay, where else can I go? Okay, I'm gonna go up here. This is the best beach day ever. I'm gonna do some swimming because I haven't swimmed from I got here. Okay. Whee! That was so fun. Let me swim back up. I am a very good swimmer. If you guys thought I was going to drown. That was honestly so fun, but I'm hungry now, so we're going to the restaurant over there. Guys, I think the reason why there was nobody here when I got here is because I came too early. I think I was here at around 7 or 8 o'clock. If you're watching my clock up there, if you see me touch it, just a while ago. I don't know. But maybe that is why I didn't see anybody. I wonder what they have in this restaurant. I never came here before. So this is a whole new experience for me. Okay, I guess I'll just cook up myself. Okay, I'll get a burger. Let me sit right here and eat. That is actually very tasty. I'm gonna finish it off. Okay, guys, I'm getting a tan because who knows what will happen when I go home. So I'm getting a tan. This is so cool. I love the beach now. I wonder if I can go on the yacht. I wonder if I have to pay to go on the yacht. Well, I will find out soon. OMG, guys, I just saw a girl go on a boat. I'm going on the boat right there. Is this gonna be fun? Because I don't know. Okay, I can go on a paddle boat. Okay. I think I'm stuck though. That's unfortunate. Okay, I'm just going to sit in this. This is so cool. So I love this beach day. This is very fun. So yeah. Bye guys. I really love you. I'm going home now because I have to do other things at home. I don't know how I got the time to come to the beach, but I'm so glad that I came to the beach. So I'm going home now. Bye guys. Love you.